Welcome to Culinary Recipe Creations. Today we have a very special video for you. The fast food industry is changing. It's undergoing a transformation that is reshaping the way we think about quick meals. It is no longer just about cheap and quick meals. The focus is shifting towards providing nutritious and wholesome options that cater to a more health-conscious audience. People are becoming more aware of their health. They are educating themselves about the impact of their food choices on their overall well-being. They are demanding healthier options. This demand is pushing fast food chains to rethink their menus and offer more nutritious alternatives. The old model of greasy burgers and fries is fading. The once popular items are now being replaced by meals that are not only tasty but also good for you. A new era of fast food is emerging. This era is characterized by a commitment to quality ingredients and balanced nutrition. This new era is focused on fresh ingredients. Fast food chains are sourcing locally and ensuring that their offerings are as fresh as possible. It embraces vegetables and lean proteins. These components are becoming the stars of the menu, offering a variety of flavors and health benefits. Salads are becoming as common as fries. They are no longer just a side option, but a main attraction for many customers. Smoothies and juices are replacing sugary sodas. These healthier beverages are packed with vitamins and nutrients, making them a popular choice. This shift is driven by consumer demand. People are more informed and selective about what they eat, and fast food chains are responding accordingly. People are making healthier choices. Fast food chains are listening and adapting to these preferences, ensuring they stay relevant in a competitive market. They are adapting their menus to survive. By incorporating healthier options, they are attracting a new wave of customers who prioritize their health. This change is beneficial for everyone. It not only helps the customers, but also boosts the image and profitability of the fast food chains. It promotes healthier lifestyles and combats obesity. By offering nutritious meals, fast food chains are playing a role in improving public health. The future of fast food is looking brighter and fresher. With continued innovation and a focus on health, the industry is set to thrive in the years to come. Consumers are more informed than ever. They have access to information at their fingertips. They know the impact of their food choices. They understand the link between diet and health. They are also aware of the environmental impact of food production. This awareness is driving change in the fast food industry. Consumers are demanding transparency. They want to know what is in their food. They want to know where it comes from. They are willing to pay more for healthier and sustainable options. Consumers are voting with their wallets. They are supporting businesses that align with their values. This shift in consumer behavior is powerful. It is forcing the fast food industry to evolve. Plant-based food is no longer a niche market. It has entered the mainstream. Companies like Beyond Meat and Impossible Foods have revolutionized the industry. They have created plant-based alternatives that mimic the taste and texture of meat. These products are appearing on menus everywhere. Fast food chains are adding plant-based burgers, sausages, and chicken to their menus. Consumers are embracing these options. They appreciate the taste and the environmental benefits. Plant-based food requires less land, water, and energy to produce. It is a more sustainable option compared to traditional meat production. As technology advances, plant-based options will continue to improve. They will play a significant role in the future of fast food. Fast casual restaurants are leading the way in sustainability. These restaurants are often perceived as a healthier alternative to traditional fast food. They are responding to consumer demand for ethical sourcing and eco-friendly practices. Many fast casual chains are partnering with local farmers to source their ingredients. They are using biodegradable packaging and reducing their carbon footprint. Some are even composting food waste and using energy-efficient appliances. These practices are good for the environment and good for business. Consumers are willing to support businesses that share their values. The fast casual sector is demonstrating that sustainability and profitability can go hand in hand. Section 5, From Farm to Tray, Tracing the Sustainable Supply Chain. Sustainability in the fast food industry goes beyond the restaurant. It's not just about using eco-friendly packaging or reducing waste within the restaurant premises. The concept of sustainability extends far beyond what the eye can see. It extends to the entire supply chain, from the farms where ingredients are grown to the transportation methods used to deliver them. Every step in the process plays a crucial role in ensuring that the food we consume is produced in a way that is kind to the planet. Consumers today are more conscious than ever about the origins of their food. They want to know where their food comes from, how it was grown, and the journey it took to reach their plates. They want to know that it was produced ethically and sustainably. This means ensuring that farming practices do not harm the environment and that workers are treated fairly. Fast food chains are responding to this demand by implementing advanced traceability systems. These systems use technology to track the journey of food from farm to table. These systems allow consumers to trace the origins of their food with just a few clicks. They can access detailed information about where their food was grown, how it was processed, and the conditions under which it was transported. They can learn about the farm where their vegetables were grown, the methods used to cultivate them, and even the farmer who harvested them, or the conditions in which their meat was raised. Transparency in these processes builds trust between the consumer and the brand. When consumers trust a brand, they are more likely to become loyal customers. This loyalty is built on the assurance that the brand is committed to ethical and sustainable practices. Sustainable sourcing and transparent supply chains are essential for the long-term success of the fast food industry. By prioritizing these values, fast food chains can ensure they meet the growing demands of conscious consumers while also contributing positively to the environment. Section 6, Tech-to-Table apps, blockchain, and the future of ordering. Technology is transforming the fast food experience, making it more efficient, personalized, and transparent. From the moment you walk into a modern fast food restaurant, you can see the impact of technology everywhere. Mobile apps are making it easier than ever to order and pay for food. With just a few taps on your smartphone, you can browse the menu, customize your order, and pay seamlessly. This convenience is revolutionizing the way we interact with fast food. Consumers can customize their orders, save their preferences, and even earn rewards. These apps remember your favorite meals and offer personalized deals, making each visit more enjoyable and tailored to your tastes. Blockchain technology is also being used to improve transparency and traceability. This digital ledger system ensures that every step of the food supply chain is recorded and can be verified. Blockchain can track the movement of food through the supply chain from farm to table. This not only helps in maintaining quality, but also in identifying and addressing any issues quickly. This helps to ensure that the food is safe and ethically sourced. Consumers can have confidence in the origins of their meals, knowing that the ingredients are responsibly sourced and handled. Technology is also being used to improve efficiency and reduce waste. Smart kitchen appliances and inventory management systems help restaurants minimize food waste and optimize their resources. Automated kitchens and robotics are streamlining food preparation. Robots can handle repetitive tasks with precision, allowing human staff to focus on more complex and creative aspects of food service. This helps to reduce costs and improve speed of service. Faster preparation times mean shorter wait times for customers, enhancing the overall dining experience. The future of fast food will be driven by innovation and technology. As these advancements continue to evolve, we can expect even more exciting changes that will redefine the way we enjoy our favorite fast food meals. Section 7. Fast food gets transparent, building trust through open kitchens. Transparency is becoming increasingly important in the fast food industry. Consumers want to see how their food is prepared. They want to know that it is being handled safely and hygienically. Many fast food chains are responding by adopting open kitchen designs. Open kitchens allow customers to see their food being prepared. This helps to build trust and confidence in the brand. Some restaurants are even going a step further by offering kitchen tours. This allows customers to see firsthand the cleanliness of the facilities and the freshness of the ingredients. Transparency is essential for building a strong reputation and a loyal customer base. Section 8. The future is served, sustainable, healthy, and convenient. The future of fast food is bright. It is a future where health, sustainability, and convenience intersect. Fast food restaurants will continue to adapt to meet the evolving needs of consumers. Menus will feature fresh, locally sourced ingredients. Plant-based options will become even more prevalent. Technology will continue to enhance the customer experience. Sustainability will be at the forefront of all operations. The fast food industry has an opportunity to be a force for good. By embracing healthy, sustainable practices, it can contribute to a healthier planet and a healthier population. Section 9. A bite of hope. Fast food can be a force for good. The transformation of the fast food industry is a story of hope. It demonstrates that even large corporations can adapt to meet the changing demands of consumers. This change is not just about profits. It is about creating a more sustainable and equitable food system. The fast food industry has the potential to reach millions of people every day. It can use its influence to promote healthy eating habits and sustainable practices. By working together, consumers and corporations can create a future where fast food is both delicious and responsible.